guys, thank you guys for watching. On today's video I'm actually showing or introducing a new gun of mine. So this is a gun that I've wanted for a good while. For some reason it was hard to get. I mean, right now with COVID everything's kind of hard to get, but it took me a while to grab this, but I finally obtained it. So without further ado, here it is. Voila. So what I have here is the Beretta. This is the 92 FS. It's brand new, there's nothing in it, but you know, for all you gun Nazis. Okay, unloaded. So this is just an incredible gun. It's one of those guns that, you know, you see in movies, you see in TV shows. It's very popular with the military, law enforcement, and it's because this gun is hella reliable. It's been proven. It came with two 10-round mags. I also grabbed the MacGart 10-rounder, so now I have 3 mags, which is, you know, it's probably slide in easier, a little bit bigger, roughly around the same. Made in Italy, just like this beautiful gun. Yeah, I'm really excited. This is obviously double action. It's got the decocker as well as the safety, so now it's double action. Cock it back and get a single action. Obviously the open barrel, open slide to show the barrel, which I think is just gorgeous. These just gorgeous grips. I'll probably get the extender because I've noticed my hand, you know, although I have a pretty big hand, it's kind of hard to reach around, get that mag release, but it's incredibly nice. I'm actually gonna go to the range right now. 9mm is kind of short. It's been a pain in the ass to obtain here in California with everything going on, so I'll probably put 50 rounds, maybe 100, 150 if I'm pushing it. My stock is kind of running low, but yeah, I'm excited to shoot it, see what it does. Stay tuned and follow up on this video. I'll actually have that video of me shooting. Hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe.